Welcome G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. This episode we will be building part 5-02, the right hand crankcase side for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. Let's get building. Alright, so we've got part 501 open, left hand crankcase side, so we've resaved as 502, the right hand crankcase side. So we've got to find these pivots there, where are they? Chamfer. That one there, so we need to edit this one. So we need to clear all those because we need to go put it on this side. It's got to swap sides. So if we clear that, clear selection, and just go from, nope. Clear selection, thank you. We don't want the face, we want the edge. Okay, let me go down a bit closer. There we go. That edge, that edge, that edge, that edge, and that edge, and that's done for that one. Then we go to the other one, that one there, which is going to be this one here. So we want to go the opposite side of that one, so we want to go edit, clear all them out, so it's going to be 5 there, so clear, and it's going to be that one, that edge, want the edge, not the surface. That one and that one. Okay, that's that part done. That's that area done. Now we want to go to normalize. Now we want to get rid of that one's got to go. Before we do, let me put let me open up that one there. Where are you? No, not thread. Nope. That's that one there. Those holes we just done. That's those holes. That's the threads. Okay, that's what we want. So yeah, that's what we want. Okay, that's cool. So we want to get rid of these here, but first off, let me get rid of this. Well, let me pick it. Okay, let me get rid of this circle here. Oh, hold on. Oh, that's why. Let's go out of that. Open up. We want the sketch. Sorry, my fault. Sketch is what we want. So now we can get rid of that one. That's why I couldn't select it. That makes sense. Delete that one. We want to delete this hole here. Yes. Delete that hole. Yes. Or the air around. And we need to delete these 3 here as well. So delete that one. Yes. Now, if you ever change a part like this, make sure you resave it. You don't not have the other one still. You don't want it right over it. Done that before, and that's annoying. Okay, why is that one? Okay, why is that going out? Okay, let's just do something. Let's go to center line, which is going to be from that point there to that point there. That's beautiful. Now, add this 50 back in. That should be 50. Yes, it is. It's locked in. Beautiful. Yeah, some reason they're not locked in. Okay, this hole here has to disappear as well. Oh, we're in the sketch still. In dimension still. Delete that one. Yes. There we go. It just stays so it goes image there, so ignore that. Now, what is this? Oh, that's right. Yeah, that's fine, that's fine, that's fine. So that's there. Now we need to add another hole here. It's 98, yeah, that's still the same. Good, good, good. So let's go circle. Circle. Dimension of 19. Now, this center point to that center point is horizontal. And let me just bring that down a bit. There we go. And this dimension here is 48. So from the center of that one to the center of that one is 48. Actually, wasn't too far off. There we go. That should be there. There's another 4 holes got put up here, but put them separately. And these 3 here have to go as well, but that's on a different layer. Okay, so that's all for that one. Yep. That hole there. What's the hole there? Hold on. Where'd that hole go? Oh. Yeah, ignore that because we're adding this. Anything below this will disappear. Yeah, so ignore that. So click yes. And exit sketch. Oop. We got some errors. Top and repair. Path being rolled back to the feature of the error. After fixing the error, right click this bar and choose roll to end to rebuild the rest. Cylinder edge from threads is missing or is invalid. Which thread's that one? Let me go to... Oh, okay. There's a thread there. So let me delete that thread. We don't need that thread. Yes. There we go, and that should be good now. It's rebuilding. And we good. Oh, yes, that one's back. Excellent. Okay. Yeah, I missed taking the thread out. That's fine. That's done. Let's see. Got a hole there, that one there. This one here's got to go. So we need to find that one. Oop. Oh yeah, because okay, yeah, because they had thread in there. That's right. Those holes had threads. Let me delete these 3. Yes, I know. Close. Delete that one. That should be fixed now. Yeah, because those 3 holes, like those 3 holes there, they had thread in it. I didn't take the thread out. There we go. Should be all fixed. Yep, beautiful. Okay, so now we want to take out those other ones, which is, where are we? Yes, do that one down there. Nope, not that one. Actually, that one's still there. Yeah, that one's still there, so that's fine. Shrink that one down, thank you. Oh, actually, oh, it wasn't. Extrude, nope, those holes. Let's go back up to here. That's the original one. Yep, that's those holes there. Those holes there. There we go. Those ones there. That's what we want. So we want to delete them completely, I believe. Yes, we do. Actually, you know what? We have got 4 holes there. So instead of deleting it, I'm going to modify it. So let's go to sketch. I'm going to delete all the measurements. The holes are M3, so come on. There we go. 3 mil. Done. There we go. So I'm going to... Let's see now. Let me just delete these measurements. Delete that one. Delete that one. I'm going to keep that one, but it's going to be 35. 35. And that one's going to be 50. 50. There we go. Now, actually, I'm going to delete. Actually, let me just delete that one. What are you still there? They have a thread in it? They might have a thread in it. Okay, it might be a thread in that. Okay, let me go back. Actually, let me undelete that one. We're going to delete that one. There we go. Now, center of that circle to the center of that circle will be horizontal perfectly. Now we want another circle. And we want smart dimension. Actually, nope. We want that circle to that circle is going to be equal. There we go. Center there to center there will be vertical. That center to that center will be horizontal. There we go. Now we want 35. That's done. Put you there, put you there. There we go. And 50 is done. Actually, let me bring these down here just out of the way. Now we want smart dimension. From that circle to that circle will be 15. Yes, it is. 15 from this point. If I can find the point, it pops up occasionally. There we go, got it. If you have trouble, just zoom in to this point is 17.5. There we go. That's good. That should be everything on that one. Yep. Oh, hold on. There's still one hole here. When those holes stay, I have to have a look at that. Might have to pull that hole back in. Let me have a quick look. Oh, no. Again. Because I'm working up the tree, it's made that one disappear. Because it's underneath this one. Yep, makes sense. Okay, so 35, 50, 15, 17.5. 3 mil holes. That's that one done. That's that area done there. So let's exit out of that one. See if any errors pop up. Nope, we're good. And they've got holes in it, except for one that don't have a hole. Okay, yeah, they got holes in it. That's, whoop, for a bit. Normal 2. There we go. So we need to put a hole in that one, which is 3 mil. So let me do plane. Yep. So we want hole, wizard, thread. Should be 3 mil already. Yes, it is. Excellent. Let me put that clicking. Yes, it did. To that plane. Let's see now. It's going to be blind, but there we go. Go all the way through. Then you trim and extrude thread. That way the thread goes all the way through and okay. There we go. That one is done. Let me normalize it. Hide that plane. Thank you. Now I think that should be everything on this one. Got those ones there, yes. Got that one and those one and those 3, yes. They still there. That one there, 4 there, and 1 there. So that's part 5-02, the right-hand crankcase side done for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. Hope you enjoyed the episode. A little bit quicker than the last one. Most of the work was done for us. Thanks again for your support. I'll see you next episode. Remember, thank you very much.